Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, you know, time you're younger and old time people say you want a good washout. Well, Clarendon and Jamaican in particular need a real good washout. Me I talk about one of the strong herbs them. One of the strong herbs when you can sit down on the toilet seat for about 8 hours. Things are looking spooky in Jamaican right now. Things have been looking spooky in Jamaican for a while. But why me I talk about this? You see, for a while now, I've been trying to put together the events that took place in the infamous Chinese supermarket robbery, where we saw a number of armed individuals, majority of them carrying rifles, engaged in one of the most bizarre shootouts I've seen in Jamaica for a very, very long time. Bizarre, not just because of the behavior of the people who want to take part in it, but even the police response, not just on the day, but afterwards. So now we have 100% confirmation that the Chinese supermarket robbery was carried out by the Ranko gang. And if the name sound familiar, yes, that's the same Ranko gang that CTOC running upon, and you see them in the news. CTOC come out and say, up to last time them checked, there were about 27, close to 30 members of the gang, and about 8 of them were police officers. Yes, this is a gang that involves police and 87. Police and thief are the same gang. But the police them are also thief. So it's really thief and thief. But some of the thief them are police. It get confusing. So, Ranko gang. Them all on a youth them say are the leader, right? Constable Tafari Silvera. And Silvera is currently in custody. Some of the police them actually left Jamaica because somebody tipped them off. Obviously, if you're a police officer and other police are come lock you up, it's not unusual say one of your friend them are go tip you off and say them a come. So some police actually get away. But here is the thing. The Ranko gang is far from finished. The Ranko gang is still operating. Yes. Even though you see CTOC pick up enough of them, right? Here to them have the quote-unquote leader. I mean, link me for a unicorn. You think an operation that vast, an operation that has been carrying on for so long, really have the leader that is a constable? You think Constable Tafari Silvera was running this operation by himself? Ranko gang still exists. Ranko gang still operate. And the people who really call the shots in the Ranko gang are not constables. But we're not going to hear about that another day. We're not going to also hear about some of the individuals who help shake up Jamaican. For example, people like O'Neill, aka Jazzy, Shango, and them and them. Even Jerome. Yes, that Jerome. That people start to link and man start to take side. And it's the same story over and over now. Now for the people who are finance the war, live off foreign, and help arms up, duke them on the ground who are waste death and destruction in the place. You also got to hear about people like Lava, Avatar, who were once friends but now enemies. Last I heard, Avatar was in police custody, but Lava still left on the ground. And Lava is doing a lot of damage right now because he is the one that's still linked with the remaining members of the Ranko gang. And just so you have an idea of how the team up thing will work, right? Lava, right, theme Dan is O'Neill, aka Jazzy, with that foreign, right? And Avatar, theme Dan is Shango, also that foreign. And if you're wondering which side Jerome upon, him a link with O'Neill them. So you have O'Neill, Jerome, Lava upon the ground, theme boys them, link with Ranko, right? O'Neill them a finance Ranko to carry out certain operations. Then you have Shango them, we link with Avatar them on the ground. They must send them money to finance them, man. It's complete madness. Of people like Dan and them people. Like I say, over time, you're going to hear all about these individuals. But today, what I'm going to focus on is how them actually pull off the Chinese supermarket robbery. So, because Ranko gang is unique in the way that they actually have police and 87s serving in the same gang at the same time, right? going on the same operations. And the reason I say that's unique, not because it's rare for JCF link with criminals, but normally they make the criminals them go on them own. Or the police them carry out a rogue operation and them carry it out on them own. This time, police and gunmen are go side by side on their mission. That is why when you watch the video and you could see, say some of the man them were behaving unlike 87s. It makes sense because police not the gang. The ones them on a police literally work alongside police. So them can even learn police behavior, police tactics. So when you watch them and how them operate, them look just like police officers. Them work with police officers. Police and thief in a one unit. A matter of fact, a lot of people who are now subscribed to the channel and join the movement actually see that video first. Right? Even though it's not the first video on the channel, that was the video where made enough people actually say, yes, this little YouTuber here is worth listening to. So, we could have telling you say, them behavior there is not typical 87 behavior. Even the way how they were firing their weapons, where they were using things like suppressive fire. But despite the fact that they didn't look like typical 87s, a big part of the reason why them get away is because of the response to the robbery. Them can learn all the police tactics them want, but they needed a lot of luck to get away that day. And it wasn't luck. You see, not only did they have some police officers in the actual robbery apartheid, but they had police officers relaying information to them about the movements of other police officers who were not a part of Ranko and a part of the robbery plot. You see, in Jamaica, in Clarendon, you have police who are Ranko, right? And then you have police who are linked with Ranko. And the police them who are a part of Ranko were monitoring their colleagues and tipping off the man them on the ground, which part them for go and which part them not for go. The police officers who did give them a challenge were actually just going about them business and come across the robbery. The police them who should have responded, the police them who would have been armed enough and have the numbers to give them a real fight were nowhere to be seen. And on top of that, you had police officers who were communicating with two sets of police officers. Ranko police them who carry out the robbery and police who were supposed to respond. And they were giving them misinformation, so they might give the police them who are trying to respond to stop them misinformation, and they might give Ranko man them the right information. So they might tell man say, alright, they might come in but they might come from this angle, I will tell them to take this way. And then Ranko man them know exactly where they might come from and them could get away. Lava, Avatar, Silvera and them there could carry out the robbery, but then the man them even make sure to them take care of the whole escape route, make sure it's everything clear. And if you're wondering, Lava and Avatar, as me say, them used to link, right? Them used to work together, now them fall out, they're on opposite side of the fence. So now this is why Mr. Clarendon, and Jamaican in particular, need a big washout. They cannot convince me that something like Ranko exists. So much police night. And see the officers of the JCF who are posted in Jamaican and Clarendon don't know about it. But sell unicorn, me no buy them. Silvera was pointed out as the leader of the organization. That show me say them are throw him under the bus. Silvera is going to be the fall guy for this. And the bigger wigs them who actually call the shots them are going to get away as usual. If C-Top don't catch up on them, because you never know. Them will lamp on a whole heap of people, maybe somebody actually start cooperate and we see something come out of this. But you know if you understand, the people them who get away the most are the bigger ranks them in a JCF. Notice, even when time them catch police officers and them catch rogue police officers, criminal police officers, when you notice is usually a constable. Most times it's a constable. Now Frankie can't sing so. Any policeman who run big racket in a station have to make sure that the stoop get film one. That's how the thing work. But when time to fall, usually at the constable or the corporal fall. So, just like my usual style, think of this as an intro. You're going to hear more about just the Ranko gang, right? Like I say O'Neill, and then you there, Shango, Avatar. It's very spooky. Maypenny is spooky. Dangerous place. Nobody know who is who. You have gunman a travel around with police in the same car. Sound extraordinary, right? But in a movie, Lava right now is more powerful than it's ever been. Not only does he have the youth on the ground, but he have the police link and the money a come from foreign. And them a war in Shango and them and them. But you go hear more about it. Extraordinary stuff, right? Ranko gang. Police and thief in the same gang. And even the police are thief. Aye. No problem, man. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, see you circling. Bless.